Essential places to visit in Greece. Pearl white glittery sand, crystal clear sea waves, fascinating ancient monuments, charming hilltop towns, small fishing villages, glorious hiking trails, buzzing cities, balmy Mediterranean climate along with delicious traditional cuisine make Greece one of the premier destinations in Europe. Greece is located in southeast Europe, which lies on the southern tip of the Balkans. Greece is also popular as the cradle of Western civilization and the birthplace of democracy. This amazing country features thousands of islands and owns the longest coastline in the Mediterranean Basin. Due to its special geographical location, Greece boasts countless places to visit. So this is Scenic Hunter's truly beautiful tour to find the 11 essential places to visit in Greece. 1. Acropolis. The Acropolis is considered the symbol of Greece. It is an ancient building and one of impressive historical and architectural significance. This ancient citadel lies on a rocky mount rising from the heart of Athens. Amazing flattish-topped rock crowned by 3 unbelievable temples, originally made from 58 supporting columns to hold a roof and decorative ornate pediments and a frieze. The history of these magnificent structures dates from the 5th century BC. The present city boasts modern subways, remarkable happening places, spotless streets, stunning modern architecture, and ultra-warm people. According to your affordability, you can find dozens of luxury and budget-friendly hotels to spend your amazing tour. 2. Meteora. The Meteora is one of the most spectacular rock formations in the world. It hosts the most precipitously built large complexes of Eastern Orthodox monasteries. 24 large monasteries were built atop the rocks during the 13th and 14th centuries. Due to its amazing setting and proud history, it was listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This unbelievable place is considered the miracle of Greece. Currently, there are 6 active monasteries including Holy Monastery of Great Meteron, Holy Monastery of Varlam, Holy Monastery of Razanu, and Holy Monastery of St. Nicholas Anapaphsis, Holy Monastery of St. Stephen, and Holy Monastery of Holy Trinity. Due to its truly inspiring and sensational setting, it attracts thousands of tourists annually. However, the place is still uncrowded and completely accessible. 3. Delphi. Delphi is one of the most impressive and influential archaeological sites in Greece. It is home to the world-famous Oracle of Delphi. The amazing Delphi lies on the slope of Mount Parnassus and boasts scenic views from all sides. The area was inhabited in the 2nd millennium BC. The development of the sanctuary and oracle began in the 8th century. Delphi is now a major archaeological site with well-preserved ruins. It was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1987. Delphi is considered the novel of the Earth or the central point of the planet. The magnificent monumental complex is a human-made environment, which is perfectly in harmony with the rare natural environment. Temple of Apollo, Treasury of Athens, Theater and the Stadium of Delphi, Tholos, Archaeological Museum, Traditional Village of Chryso, Museum of Delphic Festivals, Scenic Village of Arachova, and Parisian Cave are the most famous attractions in Delphi. 4. Santorini. Santorini is officially known as Thera and classic Greek Thera is an island in the southern Aegean Sea. It is the largest island of a small, circular archipelago, which lies about 200 kilometers southeast of the Greek mainland. Santorini was the site of one of the largest volcanic eruptions in recorded history, occurring about 3,600 years ago at the height of the Minoan civilization. Due to the eruption, a large calderal is surrounded by volcanic ash and deposits a few meters deep. Santorini offers much more for its visitors than other ordinary tourist attractions with its volcanic sand beaches, dazzling panoramas, unique architecture, and romantic sunsets. Santorini features on so many travelers' bucket lists. Wonderful cruise tour, astonishing caldera village tour to explore volcanic views and sunsets, swimming on red-black lava sand beaches, local foods and wine tour, hike, exploring small harbors, medieval villages, helicopter tours, and adventurous activities are the most prominent things in Santorini tour. 5. Thessaloniki. Thessaloniki is the second largest city in Greece with over 1 million inhabitants. The city is located on the Thermatic Gulf at the northwest corner of the Aegean Sea. The city was founded by Cassander of Macedon in 315 BC. Warm and generous Thessaloniki is a popular tourist destination in Greece as well as worldwide. It is a year-round destination full of energy and freedom. From historical exhibits to cafes, bakeries, and restaurants are lined along the streets. The White Tower, Aristoteles Square, Nikis Avenue, Simiski Avenue, Mitropolios Avenue, Arch of Galerius, the Church of Hagia Sophia, Rotunda, Roman Forum of Thessaloniki, Vlatidon Monastery, and Agora Modiano are some of the most highlighted things in the city. 6. Zakynthos. Zakynthos is one of the most exotic islands in Greece. The island is nicknamed the Flower of the Levant, bestowed upon it by the Venetians who owned Zakynthos from 1484 to 1797. It lies in the heart of the astonishing Ionian Sea and boasts mesmerizing landscapes, sugar-fine sand beaches, and crazy nightlife. Zakynthos Island offers adventurous and fun games and water sports. The countryside of the island offers chances for hiking. Other than that, the traveler can experience sightseeing, unique villages, shopping, and wellness spots. Zakynthos beaches are well known for their scenic beauty and exotic emerald water. Novajo Beach, Agios Nikolaos, Gerakas, Kalamaki, Silavai, and Spanzia are some of the best beaches to have unforgettable beach fun. 7. Rhodes. Rhodes is the largest and the historical capital of the Dodecanese Islands of Greece. Rhodes owns several nicknames, including Island of the Sun due to its patron sun god Helios, the Pearl Island and the Island of the Knights, named after the Knights of St. John of Jerusalem who ruled the Rhodes from 1310 to 1522. Rhodes was famous worldwide due to the Colossus of Rhodes, which is one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. The medieval old town of the city of Rhodes is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Europe. It has been declared a World Heritage Site. Palace of the Grand Master, Acropolis of Lindos, Monastery of Philaremos, Acropolis of Rhodes, Archaeological Museum, the Valley of Butterflies, Ancient Camiros, Monolithos Castle, Sambika Beach, and Anthony Quinn Bay are the most notable places on this amazing island. 8. Crete. Crete is considered the largest and most populous of the Greek islands. It lies approximately 160 kilometers south of the Greek mainland. Crete borders the Aegean Sea and the Sea of Crete to the north and the Libyan Sea to the south. Humans have inhabited this beautiful island since 130,000 years ago during the Paleolithic Age. Crete boasts the most significant historical and cultural attractions in Greek, including the Minoan palaces of Knossos, Cato, Malea, Zakros, and Phaistos. Other than that, Preveli Monastery, Southern Heraklion Arcadi, Rosa Gorge, and Topless monasteries are major highlights of the tour. Crete is dominated by seductive beaches, harsh mountains rising out of the sea, and historical masterpieces. 9. Kefalonia. Kefalonia is the largest island of the Ionian Islands. The island is popular for its mesmerizing beaches, national park, warmly welcoming locals, emerald green mountains, dazzling beaches, and sparkling azure waters. The island is also known as the Gem in the Ionian Sea. It is famous for diving and snorkeling as well. You will probably meet Caretta caretta, an endangered sea turtle, while exploring the beauty of beaches. Melisani Lake, Myrtos Beach, Assos, Fiscardo, Ithaca, Sami, Dragorati Caves, Argostoli, Petani Beach, and Terry Beach are some of the most prominent places in Kefalonia. Due to breathtaking views, traditional villages, Kefalonia's unique culinary tradition, rich history, and upbeat nightlife make it well worth visiting. 10. Corfu. Corfu is a Greek island in the Ionian Sea and lies on the northwestern margin of the frontier of Greece. The city is defined by rugged mountains and a resort-studded shoreline. It showcases hundreds of years of cultural heritages under Venetian, French and British rule before it was united with Greece in 1864. The town was listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2017. The ruins of ancient temples, including the Kardaki Temple, Temple of Hera, and Temple of Artemis, are scattered over the city. The Castle of Corfu is another prominent site in Corfu, which is located at strategic points on the island. The amazing Corfu town squeezes out a nostalgic charm. You will discover tiny verdant islets, picturesque seaside villages, wilderness noble mansions, and imposing palaces, and get lost in the narrow cobblestone alleys. 11. Mykonos. Mykonos Island is part of the Cyclades, and lies between Paros, Syros, Tinos, and Naxos, on the west coast of the country. It is nicknamed the Island of the Winds, because of the strong winds that blow on the island. Mykonos is well known for its vivid nightlife. Traditional windmills in front of Little Venice are the trademark of the island. The city has a unique appearance with traditional whitewashed houses and blue-domed churches. Your holiday will be full of surprises when you marvel at the stunning sunset from Little Venice, enjoy luxurious hotels, stroll through narrow paved streets, join epic beach parties, swim at the exotic beaches, and experience water sports. We do hope you enjoyed our journey to the cradle of Western civilization. Please find us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Visit www.scenichunter.com for more details. Don't forget to subscribe to the Scenic Hunter for another exciting adventurous journey. Until then, it's goodbye from us.